Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today's unboxing, well I should say styrofoaming, is my Zeesea monthly makeup box. You want to know more? Just stick around. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my video and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I do appreciate you watching my videos, leaving such great comments, and let's get into it. So Zeesea is a makeup line. I think it comes from China, and you can buy individual items, palettes, blushes, lipsticks, or they do have a monthly box. It's $40 and that includes shipping. Well, I didn't get a box this time. It came in like a mailer bag and it didn't even say who it was from. I'm like, what is this? Well, as soon as I opened the packaging, I recognized the packaging. They put it in such great packaging that I think this is the third one I got. It has never been broken. So I didn't want to take it out of the packaging so you can see what great packaging it came in. So let's get into it. So are you making any plans for Memorial Day? I'm hoping to get this video up before, during, or right after. So if you did go away for Memorial Day, let me know where you went. Did you drive? Did you fly? I, of course, have no plans. My boyfriend decided to go with the guys to California to some races. So it was a no-girl trip, which is fine with me. I don't really want to stay in the mud and all that kind of stuff. So this was the first thing I unpackaged, and I'm gonna unpackage them both. And Mom's doing great, and so I'm just gonna hang around the house. I've got a bunch of videos to film to catch up on, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do some organization, and then I've got some giveaways that I'm going to be doing next week, so I've got to get those all ready and have them ready to ship for the winter. So make sure that you check out what videos I have, what giveaways I have going on, because I have two that are ending. So let's see what I got in my Zeesea box, and of course there'll be a link below for that. And again, they package everything so nice that they even put the wrapping outside. So it makes it very tough for people like me to get into it. And of course, read it. And the first thing is Living Colorfully Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. And they have been sending out a lot of these eyeshadows. I have not tried one. Let me know if you have tried an eyeshadow stick. And if you've done like a get ready with me, because I'm very interested to see how they look. I'm really trying not to wear any makeup until I'm done with all my eye stuff. I did put a little bit on today because I kind of look like The Walking Dead. So let me see. These take me forever to get out of the packages. But this is, if you can see it, this is the eye glitter. I thought for sure this would be like a lipstick, but it is the eye glitter. I don't know about this. I'd be so afraid this would get in my eye. But let me know if you have tried an eye product like this. The next thing is a Living Color. This is a Mist Matte Lipstick. A little better for me. But of course I should have opened all this stuff up because they wrap it so tight. Okay, so I have the lipstick, and this is the color, And I do have a lipstick on already, but I am just going to open it because it looks a little red. So I am not sure about this. I can try it and then put like a gloss over it, but the packaging is really nice. And then I pre-opened the next item, and it's a primer. This is the box. I managed not to destroy that box. And look at the bottle for the primer. So this will definitely get used. I do love a good primer. So we got the lipstick, the primer, and this pink glitter eyeshadow. That was in the first package. And then we usually get a palette, and they have their collection line of palettes. So let's see what we got in this. This is the Living Colorfully, and it says it's a silky powder, and of course it's all wrapped up. Let's see if this will be as difficult as the other ones, but as I said, you can't beat them for their packaging and how they package and the way their packaging looks. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing in this video and a lot of cleanup after I throw everything on the floor. Let's see. So I've taken it out. And this is just, look at how beautiful their packaging is. That's the back, this is the front, and it looks like it's a face powder. It's got the mirror, it's got a little stick, and that's the powder. So it's got the protector on there, but that's definitely a great color powder. So glad to add that to my collection. And as I said, this was $40 for all of this and included the shipping. And I have to go to the post office today, and shipping is just ridiculous. My daughter from Germany has a wedding she's standing up to, so she's coming in town, so I have to send her goodie box to her in-laws' house because she requested a few things, and I can just imagine how much that's gonna cost. And then is our palette, and I'm not sure, this is the outside. I'm not sure what collection. It looks like it's from a Cinderella collection. And actually, the palette that I'm sending my daughter is that really pretty Cinderella one with the sparkles on the outside. She requested that one. I had to show her like 15 different palettes to see which one she wanted. And that's the one she chose. Okay. This is the cover. It feels really, it's got a unique feel to it. Look at how beautiful. Almost looks like a passport size. And the colors, wow. I think it doesn't have a mirror, but it looks like it has a blush and maybe, I forget what you call that. You know what I'm trying to say. These look like they might be blush colors and a highlighter, and this is, I still can't think of it. But look at the eye colors. And I don't know if you can see that one. I'm gonna put this like right in your face. Now that is gorgeous. probably would have wanted this one, but the eyeshadows might be a contour. There you go. This might be a contour cover, but look at this palette. And it makes a great travel size. I'm definitely gonna have to try this, but I don't see the name on this. Marvelous Fantasia. So it's the Marvelous Fantasia 12 color eye and cheek palette. Now, I love this one. I think I could use every single color in here. So just to recap, and next time I'll have everything out of the plastic wrap because that was a true struggle. We got this great palette. We have the primer, and we have, I think this is a great powder. And believe it or not, this case is really light. So if you were throwing it in your makeup bag, in your purse, it's not gonna take up a lot of room. I mean, like heavy room. And then we got this lipstick, and this is the only thing I don't know what to do with because it does go on your eye. So if any of you have a video using something like this, let me know. I'd love to see it. So this was my Zeesea box. I'll leave the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out those giveaways because they're ending soon. And I'll see you next time.